I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: a supported device, latest OS, and a signed-in Apple ID with two-factor authentication. Once ready, open Settings and update to the latest build. This ensures compatibility and security. Next, enable Face ID and iCloud Drive because the visual intelligence models store keyed preferences and biometric anchors. After that, join the required Apple program if prompted. This unlocks developer or business models. Start the Visual Intelligence app and choose Setup. You are now in the initial configuration flow. Now configure the core behavior. Choose a model profile, personal for private use, enterprise for shared deployments, or research for experimental features, because each sets resource limits. Make sure you grant camera, microphone, location, and photos permissions. Without them, the system cannot analyze scenes or correlate context. Then decide on on-device versus cloud inference. On-device reduces latency and preserves privacy, while cloud offers larger models. Once chosen, set storage and GPU preferences and confirm model downloads. This step prepares the engine for actual tasks. Finish by running the built-in setup wizard and test suite. Evaluate camera feed, object detection, captioning accuracy, and latency so you know it meets your needs. Once tests pass, calibrate the environment, adjust lighting, minimize reflective surfaces, and define any privacy zones, because calibration improves accuracy and reduces false positives. Save a calibration profile for repeatability. If something goes wrong, restart the device first, then confirm permissions and network status. If needed, clear the app cache or switch inference mode from cloud to on-device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.